Hi friends, welcome to Crumbs and Curries. In today's video, I will show you how to make a easy, yummy, super healthy, super delicious vegetarian spinach Parmesan cheese burger. To start with, I need to blanch the spinach leaves, for which I have taken a large pot of water and I will allow it to boil nicely. After which, I will add in the spinach leaves into it and let it submerge into the water thoroughly. We'll blanch this leaves for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, and after which we will drain out the spinach and transfer it into ice cold water. This process helps it to stop cooking immediately, and it also helps to retain the freshness and the color of the spinach. Okay, let me quickly take you through all the ingredients. To start with, this blanched spinach cut small, cilantro or coriander leaves. This is some Italian basil leaf, onion, mushroom. Up to you. If you don't like, you can omit it. I have taken some mozzarella cheese, breadcrumbs, potato, salt to taste, walnuts, ginger. This is also optional. Here I have taken some black pepper, crushed black pepper, Parmesan cheese powder. Then I have some garlic powder and I have Italian seasoning. That's all we need, and of course oil to cook. Now friends, take a non-stick pan and put approximately 3 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil is nice and hot, add the ginger and then the chopped onions. Let this onions cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. We need not brown the onions, we just need to make it translucent. Now I added the chopped mushrooms to it. I'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes more. If you don't like mushrooms, you can always substitute it with carrot or broccoli. Now I added the blanched spinach, coriander leaves and the Italian basil to it. Cook it only for a few minutes, after which we off the gas and let it cool down completely, this mixture. In a large bowl, take the boiled potatoes, add in the mixture that we prepared earlier. In goes the crushed boiled sweet corn and mix thoroughly. Next, we need to add the garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can add some crushed garlic also. Then goes the Parmesan cheese powder, Italian seasoning. If you have chili flakes, please go ahead and add the chili flakes. I didn't have, so I used the black pepper powder here. Now I will add walnut to this. Friends, walnut give a very good crunch to this patty. Now after this, I will add the mozzarella cheese and mix very well. We have not added salt yet, so here at this stage you will add the salt, and as per your taste you can add the salt and mix very well. And last but not the least, I am going to add the breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs give the good binding to our burger patty. After you thoroughly mix, next step is we will go ahead and fry our patty. So friends, I have taken a non-stick pan here again, and in goes some oil. I am taking here olive oil. You can take any oil of your choice, but we don't need too much oil to fry this because all the vegetables are already cooked. So that's what we aim for, to make it a healthy recipe. So we're not deep frying our patty here. With only 3 tablespoons of oil, I'm going to cook my patty on both the side till it turns out nice golden and crispy. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Try and keep the flame low to medium so that you don't burn it. Yeah, you can see the color is so nice and golden and crispy. Yeah, this is what I try to achieve. Once you get this color on both the sides, just remove the patty and then you're all set to do the final step, that is assembling the burger. Okay, so here I have taken a burger bun and I'm going to slice it into half. When it comes to the sauce, you can put anything of your choice. I have taken a tomato ketchup and a mayonnaise mix dip. If you don't want that and you want to use only mayonnaise or only tomato ketchup, or for that matter, if you want to use coriander mint chutney also, you can go ahead and put. Okay, so I'm just spreading it on both the sides. I am going to add some, put some lettuce leaves, then the patty, sliced tomato, and I mean I like to add some salt and pepper also on top of my tomatoes, and then finally cheese slice. And yeah, here you're good to go with the burger. Here, I mean, you are always welcome to go ahead and try whatever vegetables you like to add. If you want to add capsicum, you can add. If you want to add onions and beetroot and cucumber, also you can go ahead and put into your burger. In the same pan, I will just cook the burger for a minute or so that the cheese melts. And then, yeah, our burger is finally ready. I hope you love this recipe. Try it out, it's really delicious and super healthy too. And for a change from the usual regular burger. So, let me know how did you find it in the comment section. Subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon.